Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. In today's video, a young lady sent me she actually sent me this file right here. And she was a little bit confused. She goes, well, it's already a bitmap, but it doesn't, I can't trace it. I can't break it apart. Well, even though it's a bitmap drawing, it's not ready to trace. And as you can see, I've already redone it and sent it to her. And so what you need to do first, and we'll just delete this one. This is what she sent me. So there's four of them grouped together. That's how they came in the file, but you only need one. So when you use the crop tool, you need to make sure you're selected on the item, go up to the crop tool, and then just crop out one butterfly. And what that did, it left everything else on the page alone. If you do not do that, and you don't have it selected, and you go to the crop tool, it's going to take away everything in the page. So you don't want to do that. So let's select the item, go up to the crop tool, and crop it. See, it left my original. Now let's just look at it real quick. And every trace is a little bit different. See all the white background, and I haven't traced it yet. But now we can, even though it's a bitmap, we can still convert it to a bitmap. 300 dots per inch, black and white. Hit OK. Go up to trace, outline trace, and I use clip art the most. And there's a lot of things you can do with, remove the color, but this one in particular is broken into different, maybe different whites, as you can see. So we're not going to bother even with that. Just hit OK. Let's bring it in, and you can see all the white that's still there. Go up to your object group and ungroup all objects. And now all you have to do is select a black and move it out of the way, and it's going to leave all the white. Now bring it back in our yellow box, and you can see it's a good, clean vector artwork. It needs a little bit of work. So I'm going to show you what I would do here. I'm going to get rid of our yellow box. I'm going to click on our item. I'm going to go left click, right click with my mouse to get our hairline. You're going to have to ungroup this thing. So go to object, ungroup, get your shape tool, and just delete these two nodes, or these nodes down there. And make it a little bit cleaner, just kind of do things like this. And this is not going to be symmetrical. And I might even make another video if you have to have it symmetrical. But then all you do is select it. Now we're going to left click black, right click no outline, and there you have a pretty clean, there's a few areas I'd clean up, like right there. That's garbage. But that's, depending on how big you're going to make it, that's not bad. I don't know why she wants this particular butterfly, but I guess it's just the shape and the ornateness of it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.